Hello all, welcome to my channel SZ Academy. Today we are going to learn about the is statement. So let's get started. Today we wrapping up the logical operation sections by talking about the is statement. It's nice and easy. It's a good simple one to finish on. So Excel offers a number of different is formulas. The point is that each checks whether a very particular or certain condition is true. So when you type in as a is function, you are going to return either a true or a false. Those are the two possible values you get. Syntax wise, it's about as easy as it is possibly gets. You just write the formula, open up the parentheses, and drop in your value or reference and close it off, and you are done. So here's the sample list you can see on the screen. This is not a comprehensive, but it should gives you a sense of some of the is statements that are available to you. You can check whether your reference cells or values is blank. You can check if it is a number of numbers versus text. If you are getting an error, you can check if your value is even versus odd. You can see if it's a logical operator or a formula, and so on and so forth for this. So let's jump into an Excel, and we're going to populate this last column, which is the D column, having a missing data. We want to identify and flag any cases where we have missing data in column C, or the math marks we can say. So I'm going to start with an is error statement. So here I can say equal to is error, second one, open up the parentheses and arrow over to the C2, close it off the parenthesis and hit the enter button. You can see I get the false here because I am getting a valid data input in the C2, which is 8. And then when I apply it down, you will see it's flag 2 here in the column 12, because I'm getting an error in C12, which you can see here. So that seems to work nicely. But before I call it a day, you will note that I also have missing value in column C, which is at the row number 7. So it's not showing an error message, but it's still a missing data point that I need to count for. So wanted to just flag those. What I could do is change this from is error to, like I say, is blank. Just go to it, just refer to this is blank. Yeah, blank is there, can guess. So I'm just referring the C2 only. So just hit the enter and make apply it down. Now you will see that the row number 7, which earlier it was false, now where I was having a blank flag, which is 2 now. But the error in the row number 12, which was 2 earlier, is no longer true, because it seems it's saying an error, which is not a blank. So what I need to do is combine these two flags, two, I mean combine these two and flag as a true in any cases where column C has a blank or an error or value. So I'll just keep the that is blank as it is, and already we have that one. So I'm just going to start with an or statement in the beginning. Open up the parenthesis, which gives me an two logical values here. Now logical one is a is blank. You can see here only, and the logical, the second logical value we are going to put in is comma is error. Hmm. And I can either click on C2 here like this to make that reference, or there may be another possibility, we can type it C2. Yeah, and it will read it as a reference for this. This is just a little tip for you, and then close it of the parenthesis, hit the enter button. We see the error because we have not complete our formula yet, because you can see it is on the logical 2. You can see these are orange ones. You need to make it black and bold by putting one parenthesis. You can see it's working now. So now I have my or statement with the two arguments. Let's see, or with the two arguments. So if it's either blank or or it's an error, this will flag as a true, otherwise false. So let's get it down. So let's see if that works. Seems to have worked properly. I've got a blank. I've got a blank and a true value here. Here I've got I mean error and true value here as well. So it says that is working properly. And now one other thing I can do here is use my filter. Say show me the show me the cases where I have a missing data. So where this flag as a true. So just select the two one, and I can see what data did those missing data points fall on, and then if I wanted to like I could cut it out, cut it that data, or manipulate it in some other way. So this can be. There you go. Those are just two examples of each statement. Again, there are, number of others as well. So that's it for the each statement. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. For other free courses, please mention in the comment box to create those videos for you. Thank you.